Greetings and welcome to Pinball Help. Mike here. Oh, another thing I wanted to do a short little video of is how to make a back cover if you don't have one for the pinball machine. So when I picked up this pinball machine, the back was missing. Now the backs on these games are usually made out of metal, and they drop here into the little channel thing. You can get, sometimes you can buy these. They're about 50 bucks or more from Pinball Resource if they have them available. But there's also a very easy way to do this with just some plywood. Now, the guy that I got it from, he had just basically cut a piece of cardboard over there, and that's what he stuck back here just to keep the dust from getting to it. So I wanted to definitely do something nicer. So I said, I'm just going to make a little backboard out of wood. Now, there's a downside to this in that a metal backboard resonated the sound in here. I have a feeling with the wooden backboard, the bells and the chimes are going to be a little bit less loud because it'll dampen the audio qualities of it. But I think that's going to work fine for like a home environment like this. In fact, this may be something you want to do if your pinball machines are too loud, because on these mechanical ones, there's no volume control, right? So, you know, sometimes you can put some tape or some tissue on a bell or a chime, or you can even unplug them. This is another thing you can do, is you can change from a metal back to a wood back. And let me show you the one I made. It's just sitting right down here. And this is basically a set of, it's a little bit less than a ½ inch, so it's like probably 3/8 inch plywood. And I just measured it and cut it on a table saw, and then I drilled a hole out and just mounted my little lock. And it's really as simple as that. You know, the hardest part is just making sure you get the right measurement so it'll drop right in. So it's a little bit filthy. This is an old piece of plywood that I had laying around, so I can paint it to match the cabinet if I want to. So let's just drop it in here like that. This wood was a little bit warped, but fits nicely. And then like that, and there we have it. I could modify this so there's no little play like that by bending the thing. And there you have it. Oops, I put it in wrong. Okay, so the key won't come out when it's up locked. Okay, so I'll have to fix that. I'll change the orientation of the thing on there, but there it is. So there's a quickie little back cover you can make, and when I paint this, it'll look really nice, and fits nice, and it's better than, you know, a piece of cardboard or not having anything there. And they're pretty easy to make. Just measure, cut, drill a little hole, bam, you got a back cover. Costs a lot less than having to buy one too. So just a little handy trick there. So for more, visit pinballhelp.com, and thanks for watching.